In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get game passes here in Locked 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, hit the three dots up in the top left and then select the three lines to open up this menu. And then from here, you have to go ahead and select store just like so. Up at the top, you're going to see a bunch of different tabs. Select the one for game passes and you're going to see all the available game passes that are available right now, which is just VIP. However, in the future, there may be even more. Now, VIP, since it is the only one available at the time of making this video, gives boosts like extra yen and discounts on rerolls. If you want any of these game passes, whether it's VIP or ones that they might add in the future, you just got to select it and you can purchase it directly with Robux. But that is the entire process right here. It really is that simple. Once again, just go to the store, click game passes and buy whatever you need. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.